How to disable user control on PC. Come to this place, type in control center, you click on it and open it. Now if you have something like this where you have this large icon, click on this arrow at the front of large icon, click on category. Now once you click on category, click on user account, not change account type, user account. Once you click on user account, then come to this place where you see user account, click on it again. Once you click on it, then here you have access to change user account control settings. Click on it. Now to change the settings, drag it downward here, then click on OK, then click on yes. So by doing this, you'll be able to disable user control accounts on your Windows PC. If you enjoyed this tip and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.